Photosynthesis, stay green, plant cell.
Photosynthesis doesn't have glycolysis. Yeah, I'm a plant cell and I do it like this. My chloroplast should give you all of the goods, cause I'm staying so green while I'm making ATP. Through the chloroplast I make ATP with the plant cell in my mind, cause I don't respirate, cause I ain't got time. Every second, minute, hour I am taking all that water. I am making ATP inside of a flower. I am photosynthesizing inside the little plant cell I make, getting all that sucrose, and now I just do it to NADP, ha 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 ha, go into the light reactions coming from the Calvin cycle. Man, those plant cells making action. First you need that H2O, and then that CO2, and then you make sucrose, and then you make O2. Woo!
Then photosynthesis rules.
Making ATP, making energy, using Calvin cycle to go make it. I'm making the G3P. I'm starting with light reactions, that's where I'll start attacking, and then the Calvin cycle we're ready to make some action. ADP, NADP coming from the Calvin cycle. That's so efficient you will think that they're all psycho. Sucrose, talking about that sucrose. It's a form of energy that we always use most. Making oxygen quick, need it for your breathing. I've grown up from a ceiling, man I want some sucrose from this glucose. Don't you want some sucrose? It's a combination of glucose and some fructose. And while I'm making sucrose, I'm making molecules like O2, cause you use those. A plant cell's green because of chloroplast. And making ATP and O2, don't you know it's such a blast. You'll be eating up all that sucrose, or that saccharide of glucose and fructose. You use those, you need ATP when you move most.
Then photosynthesis rules.
I'm making ATP like mangoes, pears, apples, and pineapples. A plant cell, I'm a factory for ATP. The equation for photosynthesis is very long to say, but it goes something like this. Use CO2 and H2O, and then you add some sunlight. You get some water, sucrose, oxygen, and then you're alright. Even when you are looking at the chlorophyll, they're found in the cells of the mesophyll. Don't think thylakoids are alone, there's just many of them all inside the stroma. Go look at some plant cells, and I promise the chloroplasts are using photosynthesis, using CO2 and using H2O, making some O2 and making some sucrose. Linear electron flow is also a key to help the chloroplasts to make some ATP. People, I say the world's no hope without this. Everything in the world relies on photosynthesis. I do so I can make myself some ATP. Gotta use that process so that I can make some energy. I'm so green, gotta use sucrose. Heterotrophs like to see it. If they see it, then they feel it, then they need it, then they eat it. That's real.
ATP.
That cell. Stay green.